Hi everyone, hope you all are safe, healthy and happy. Welcome back to my channel Sada's Green Life. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you all how I celebrate my Eid the green way. So this Eid, Earthlings Cafe, which is my baby, is partnered with Animal Save Movement to distribute vegan biryani and vegan halwa to 500 kids. There's a lot of cooking to do. Let's start, come on! So our vegan biryani is ready and so is our halwa. Now the best thing about this is no animal products were used in the making of our vegan biryani and the halwa. So no meat, no dairy as in ghee, milk, nothing of all of that. It's just pure plant-based goodness, nutritious and delicious. So let's start packing before it gets late. Chalo. So we are done packing and now we are heading to distribute the food. I'm so excited. Let's go. So many people might think, why show off if you're doing charity? So the purpose of this video is to not show that we are donating food to lesser fortunate kids. The sole purpose of this video is to show that we can celebrate any festival without causing sufferings and pain to any sentient beings. And that's what I truly believe in. Our celebration should not be the cause for pain or sufferings for anybody else. And yeah, let's just celebrate festival with kindness, compassion, love, peace and joy. कैसे लगा?
अच्छा लगा।
थोड़ा अच्छा लगा, बहुत अच्छा लगा।
बहुत अच्छा लगा।
बहुत अच्छा लगा।
हाँ।
इसमें ना कोई मटन नहीं है, कोई दूध नहीं है, कोई घी नहीं है, तो भी अच्छा लगा ना?
हाँ।
हाँ?
हाँ।
ये खा के बताना मेरे को हलवा कैसा है। नहीं डाला हमने। तो देखा घी मटन खाने की कोई जरूरत नहीं है, स्वाद आता है अच्छे से, है कि नहीं?
क्या है?
So we just finished distributing in one location and now we are going to another place.
रात हम लोग ऐसे ही रोड पे ही निकाले, रोड पे आके खड़े थे हम लोग और पूरा कपड़ा कबर्ड सब गिर गया, सब पूरा राशन
सब पानी में।
अभी तो आप गली में आ भी नहीं सकते, इतना पूरा कीचड़ है भरा।
Because of extremely heavy rains last night, this entire chawl this side was flooded with water, rain water. So we distributed to kids, to slums, and now what we are doing is we are giving the major chunk of the biryani and halwa to this chawl people so that they are sorted for at least tonight's dinner. It seems all their utensils, their entire houses and all are like completely flooded. So this is what happened last minute, and I'm glad that we had calculated doing it for only 500 kids, but we had so much more that now we can share it with these people. So we are finally done with distributing food and everything. We started our day at 8 AM in the morning and it's almost 4 PM now and not had our breakfast. Like I only had a bread toast and tea for breakfast and no lunch yet. So now we are going back to our respective homes and we will have our lunch. But what a day! we started with one intention, and then as things progressed, we could really offer help to people who really needed it today. Because of the rains last night, and like their chawls and all were all flooded, so we could serve them. Nothing feels better than being of some use to people at a desperate hour. And this is how I like to celebrate festivals, be it any festival. I would really encourage you all also to celebrate it with a lot of kindness, compassion and love for all beings. So I really hope you all enjoyed being a part of my Eid celebration today. I shall see you very soon in my next one. Until then, stay safe, feel good and be blessed. Okay, bye.